Now let's talk about a specific topic of it isn't what you film, it's how you film it. So a lot of people think that you need something exciting to film to actually make it watchable, to make it entertaining, or to make it engaging. But that isn't often the case. You can make anything, literally anything, entertaining if you film it the right way and put the right tone of voice and flair on it. Making a coffee, as simple as it sounds, you can make that entertaining if you film it the right way, using the right music, the right tone of voice, the right sound effects, the right elements that all make up a video. If you use the right ones, you can make it engaging and a real useful piece of content for your brand. Here's one example of making a coffee. Roll the coffee video. Yeah, so as you can see, that's just a short snippet of a coffee video. But also it gives you a chance to introduce the people that are actually making the coffee. And it also gives you a chance to introduce the process that goes into making a coffee that some people might have overlooked. Different places have different processes of making coffee. So if you capture it in a way that it just looks different and it's appealing to the eye, then people want to try that type of stuff. They're like, they see on their timeline, they might tag someone and say, oh, I fancy a coffee now. And then they say, oh, let's try it there next time we go out for coffee. Like, just because they saw that the process is a little bit different, or it looked flashy on video, like, that's the way it works. Once you get them in the door, then it's time for the in-house team to do their work and make sure that they come back on a return visit. But this is what I say, if content marketing works hand in hand with the physical place that you're trying to draw people to, then you've got a win-win, because you've got people collectively coming together, working together to achieve the same goals. What you got to remember is there's only two factors that can bring in more business. That's sales and marketing. And when you get them working together, it's a no-brainer. Like, it's going to work. It's going to bring people through the door. It's going to raise your profits, because that's what it does. That's why I say at Nourish Social, we're all about helping people to generate a profit and grow their business through the use of storytelling on social media. Because that's what we do. Like, we got this, man. If this video was useful to you guys, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, just let me know. But yeah, I think I'm done now anyway, because this light is just shining on my head. You can see, like, see that right there? That's the light. That's the light source. You see how I've got it kind of like doing half of my face and the other half is dark? That's how you get that cinematic look. But I'm really only using one light. And I'm in a little box room, but I'm trying to make the most of it. So hopefully this is working here. Like, let me know in the comments below if you don't think it is and if you think I should shoot somewhere else. But yeah, hopefully that video was useful. Probably wondering, why is he wearing a Gymshark top? But I'm from Solihull. Gymshark are from Solihull. So you gotta support local businesses, man. Keep it moving. Make sure you hit that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.